Gold award-winning Molly's Irish Cream liqueur is a premium blend of fresh dairy cream, aged Irish whiskey, fine Irish spirits, and natural chocolate flavors. Molly's Irish Cream is so fresh, in fact, that the cream takes only 48 hours from cow to bottle and is sourced using only grass-fed cows from Ireland's largest family-owned Irish cream producer. Molly's Irish Cream, arguably the world's best-tasting Irish cream. Molly's is available in original or coconut. Today we're going to indulge in making the Molly's Chocolatini cocktail. For this, we will need the delectable Molly's Irish Cream, vodka, and some chocolate syrup. We're gonna take our Molly's. This is a 2-ounce jigger. We're gonna pour it over the glassware. Next, vodka. Then we're gonna eyeball this chocolate syrup. Let's shake that up. Let it marinate a little bit. And we're also gonna use the chocolate to garnish the glassware. Then you take your shaker, pour it into your martini glass. And there you have it, the Molly's Chocolatini cocktail, made with Molly's, arguably the world's best tasting Irish cream.